But he knows. Wala pa kang ganun. Talaga? Ala, putang! Could it be fair or random circumstance? Sige ate, thank you so much. I love you. Ingat ka po dyan. Ingat ate, thank you. Magiging singer muna ako dito guys. Bye po ate. Bye ate. Target, thank you. Nakshi. So God him you. Tadhana next. Close your eyes, dry your tears, as in nothing. Think your LA seems clear. You'll be safe here from the shoe weight of the doubt and fears. Oy! Ang galing ah! Ang swerte sa'yo ah! Bakit kay target hindi? Feeling ko talaga LA, swerte sa'yo yung Bubble Dragon. Feeling ko sa'yo napuputok yung 10k ng BD. Go Target! Ibigay mo yung hotdog na yan. Kagabi pa talaga yan. Inaayaw talaga. RC ako ng badal ko lang sis. Wala talaga! Matalo. Alam mo kanina pa talaga yun. Puking inang-inang. Gamitin na lang natin tong account. Wala ako. Isa lang din akong dito, sis. Naga-RC. Gago magkano ng RC ko this month? Natalo. Bus Target. Wala, no? RC yan. Kilala mo ba yan, si Target? Supporter mo ba yan? Ay, nawala. Oo nga eh. You'll be safe. Ay, hindi ba? Akala ko kilala mo. Target, thank you. Ayaw mo i-try Bubble Dragon, Target. Walwal, hello. Save your eyes from the tears. Ay, yung PK ko nga pala, guys. May PK pala ako, guys. Aray mo, boss.